Hello viewers, welcome to Tradables. I hope you all must be using Tradables because we have implemented new features and I think these new features have been really useful for you. And based on these new features, if you have been analyzing our Tradables application, you might have noticed how these new features have really been very useful for you, for the people who have been really doing trading and invest and options trading. So because if you look into our application, you can see that today our application clearly indicates how the market momentum is, because here in this outlook, market outlook, you can see Nifty 50, Bank Nifty and Nifty IT is clearly indicating a bullish momentum uptrend, and it's clearly indicating how the market is. And if you look into these trends also, you can see that the short term, mid term and long term trend in today's date, Jan 2nd, it is indicating a clear momentum of uptrend. And even if you want to look into the previous historical trends, you can see that the long-term trend, December 20th to Jan 1st, it's indicating a neutral momentum and neutral trend. But however, in today's after neutral, it has been indicating an uptrend, a bullish momentum. And also you can check the expert view. In expert view, it's clearly indicating a short term and mid term and long term a bullish momentum, because if you see here, all the three pointers have been indicating today bullish momentum, and it's all indicating a uptrend. And these are all the indications of how the market momentum is is moving. And those who wanted to see like what would be the next probable values on how the market is moving forward, what are the best fair values, you can check into the best fair values. So like for example, if you see here, today the market started with the open value of 23783, and when it started with the open value of 23783, so those who are looking into the best fair value, you can see here that the next value would be 23826. So if you see here, today the market has really been trending in a very high trend, because if you see here, like it has crossed 23826, and it has break 24 it has reached 24099, and from 24099 it has break and it has almost reached 24183. So those who are doing an intraday trading, they can check these values. And the next probable values for midterm values also will be 24301, will be the next target value. And even today, if you look here, all time high in the morning, the all time high was indicating almost around like 23649. And today, if you see here, right now the market has really been reached the all time high, and it has break 23649, and it has almost reached around 24175. And today's all-time high is also break, and now the market is trending at 24187. So which means that today the market is really going in a very upward momentum. And still, if you want to look into a more detailed analysis, those people can actually go and check into candlestick view. So in candlestick view, you can see here how the market momentum is. So today the market started with a bearish candle. However, when the market started with a bearish candle, the candle has reached the bullish candle, moved to the bullish candle, and from there it has taken a support at the upper band. And if you see here, there's an upper band here. So here it has taken a strong support, and from strong support it has reached to the resistance point, and from resistance point it has actually crossed the resistance point, and from R1 it has crossed to R2, and from there it has almost the market went upward. So the market has been moving upward, because if you see here, almost you will see that these values you're seeing here, right? So these are all the extension, Fibonacci extension upward, and these values, degrees which you're seeing here, 90 degree, 135 degree, and these 225 degree, these are all the Gann analysis points. So those who are doing the analysis, say suppose if you're following the Fibonacci retracement analysis, or if you're following the Gann analysis, you can check these values. By looking into these values, you can see whether the next candle is going to form a bearish candle or a bullish candle, how the candle momentum is going to be, and basis on that you can take a decision. And here if you see, the 15 minutes candle is also showing a bullish momentum, the 30 minutes candle is also showing a bullish momentum, and the 1 hour candle is also showing a bullish momentum. So mostly today's market is almost going to close at a bullish candle, because it's a clear indication that today the market has gone to 24194. And still, if you want to look into the more detailed analysis, then you can check into the trader view. So in trader view, you can see here the different analysis like Cambrella, all pivot analysis, Fibonacci retracement extension, Gann analysis. These are all the different kinds of analysis. And if you look into these kinds of analysis, you can see the daily target points, weekly, monthly, and these daily levels have been almost, the market has reached. So today's level as per the all pivot analysis is 24068, and this has already breaked. And even if you look into this weekly pivot points, today we are on Thursday and tomorrow is Friday. So if you see today's points, like if you see 24107, even if a person is taking like the target value of 24107, this has already crossed, and the next target point is 24202. Okay, so likewise you can check the different analysis, like for Fibonacci retracement extensions, these are the data points, and for Gann analysis, these are data points, and you can see here which are the support points. These color indications gives you the indication of support and resistance points. So as per the candlestick view, you can see here that there is no kind of a resistance which is going to come up, because right now the time is 2:51 and we don't see here any kind of resistance point. Obviously the market is going to remain in the upward momentum, in the in the bullish momentum. So these are all different kinds of analysis which you can check. And the people who are doing the options and trading, so you can directly go to the OI change. So in OI change you can see the target, the strike prices. So here are the strike prices, and this side you can see the Nifty calls, and these are the LTP values, and Nifty puts, these are the LTP values for those. And you can see the strike prices. So say for example, if you have taken a strike price somewhere around 23649 or something, so almost the market has reached to around 24204. So almost it has come around here 200. I mean, it has crossed that. So which means that that's a huge percentage of the people who are doing options and trading to get a good profits. And today is one of the, I could say, like, it is one of the the best day for people who have been doing intraday trading and options trading. And because even if particular the value is going downward also, you can see here the strong support points. These green indicators support points, and this highlighted one indicates the strong support points. Even if the value is falling down to this particular range, it means that it is taking a strong support over here and it goes upward. And even if it reaches a resistance point, you can see the strong resistance points here. So sometime if the value is reaching here, so for example today it has reached to 24205, so which means it has reached to 24200, which means it is in resistance point. So there are probability that a little bit the market can go a little down, or it can just sustain in the same particular point. It can be in a consolidation, or in case if it breaks the resistance point, then the next resistance point would be 24250. So likewise you can use these particular features for doing your trading and for investment purposes. And this is how the market is today, and the market is really doing good today. And still, if you see here, we still have 30 more minutes time, and still the market is in the upward momentum only. And even if you look into this particular trends in expert view, so here it shows a clear indication of uptrend for both short term, mid term and long term. So which means that long term, if it's indicating uptrend, it means that probabilities are like today the market is going to stay in the upward momentum, and we will be closing with a bullish candle today. So people who have been really doing intraday trading and who have been doing options trading, is the best day for them today. And our Tradables application will be really helpful for the people who are doing trading and investment, I mean options trading and intraday trading. And if you are still not able to understand how to use which particular sections, this video will really be helpful for you on how to follow, which one you have to follow as soon as you log in. First follow the market outlook, then go to the trends, then see the expert view, then you can check the best fair values, then you can check the all-time high. And still, if you want to go more in detail, go to the candlestick view, check the candlestick view, check these points, because these are the different analysis points. Follow these points. You still want to see how the analysis are going, what are the next pivot points, you can go to the trader view, check these different analysis, what are the next probable data points which are going to come up for the next one. So this way, this will be really helpful for you, and I hope this video will be really helpful for you. And those who have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please quickly subscribe and follow our market analysis. We also have our live streaming happening in the morning in our Market Mass channel from 9:15 to 3:30. So this will really help you for those who are live trading, will help them in taking a decision on how the market is moving. And apart from that, every day we are giving you post market analysis and Even after during the market hours also we're giving the daily market analysis. So this way you can check, and those who have not understood these particular features, you can go back to our feature insights and you can check how these features have been really useful. We are more coming up with more different kinds of features. So I wish you people please keep following our videos and register to our application. If you're still not able to understand, we have our email IDs, we have our contact numbers on our YouTube channels, on our website, and you can reach us, you can WhatsApp us, you can put a voice message also. We will be there to help you out and help you understand how our application is going to be useful for you. And I hope this video will be really helpful for you, and I wish you understand whatever I've explained so far. Thank you, and I'll meet you up in the next video. Thank you.